In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the string functions multiple node. This node can apply multiple functions to multiple string columns at once. Here in the node configuration pane, the first thing we can do is add a description. In this case, we don't need one since this workflow is pretty simple. Next, we can add to our variables list. We do this using the green plus sign on the left-hand side of the configuration pane. We can also remove items from our variables list using the minus sign on the right-hand side of the configuration pane. Now that we've added variables to our variables list, we can configure each one. First, we select a column. This must be a string column in order for the node to work correctly. Then we select the function which we want to be applied, either to trim it, to upper or lower, which change the case of the entire